Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, sasamahan nyo kami sa isang super saya na family adventure dito sa Universal Studios Japan. At syempre, highlight natin today, ang mind-blowing na Super Nintendo World. Ready na ba kayo? Let's go!
Don't go too close, I can't see you. God. Wow, look at this. King Koopa.
Located sa Osaka, ang Universal Studios Japan ay perfect para sa buong pamilya, may rides, shows, at characters na kilalang kilala ng mga bata at ng mga batang at heart.
Kami dalawang magkatabi.
Oh.
From the moment na pumasok kami sa gate, sobrang exciting na. Ang daming characters na lumalabas, music everywhere, at ang vibe. Parang nasa movie set ka talaga. And now, eto na, ang pinakaaabangan ng lahat, Super Nintendo World. Grabe guys, legit, parang lumundag ka papasok sa Mario game. May giant green pipe entrance, moving blocks, coins, at si Bowser mismo naghihintay sa loob. Kung gamer ka or may kids na mahilig sa Mario, sobrang sulit to.
Dami!
May dalawang main rides dito. Una, Mario Kart, Koopa's Challenge, AR goggles, racing, and drifting. Super cool. Pangalawa, Yoshi's Adventure, perfect sa mga bunso, chill ride pero sobrang cute ng views. And syempre, bumili kami ng power-up bands, pang-collect ng coins at pang-unlock ng minigames sa buong land. Parang real-life video game. Nag-lunch din kami sa Canopies Cafe, and wow, ang cute ng pagkain. May mushroom burgers, peach-themed desserts, at Mario lunch sets para sa kids. Medyo mahal, pero sulit naman kasi, Instagram-mable at masarap.
Oh, pauwi na kami. Ito kumuha ng picture natin. Oh, look here.
Outside Nintendo World, ang dami pa ring pwedeng gawin ng buong pamilya. Minion Park is super fun, perfect for all ages, lalo na sa mga toddlers. Tapos meron ding Universal Wonderland, kung saan makikita mo sina Snoopy, Hello Kitty, at mga Sesame Street friends. May rides, playground, at indoor play area rin, great kung kailangan magpahinga ng mga bata.
No way.
Quick tips para sa mga parents. Book in advance, tickets, timed entry, pati kafe kung kaya. Download the USJ app, super helpful yan for checking wait times. Bring snacks, water, stroller, at kung summer, sunscreen talaga. Ang Universal Studios Japan, isa siya sa pinakasulit na family destinations. Lalo na kung fan kayo ng Nintendo, or gusto nyo ng all-day bonding experience with the kids.
Quiet. It's sweet. Okay?
And that's it. Our Universal Studios Japan Family Adventure. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family-friendly travel vlogs.
Video to, guys.
Question of the day. Anong Nintendo character ang gusto mong makasama sa adventure mo? Comment down below. Thanks for watching, and kita-kits sa next video.
Cheers. So cool. My favorite. The day's done. We're leaving Universal. Don't go too close. Okay. Bye.